hold on. What's this print here, man? Look how big that is. Is that a cat? Let's
yep.
see. 1, 2, 3,
Or
4.
coyote. Nope, no claws.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, fuck.
Well,
I don't know what that is.
it's a coyote or cat. Hang on, guys. Back. That tree, guys, is gonna fall. Hopefully it's not while we're back here.
Yeah, I've let this go and now look.
Well, you've had no choice.
I'll probably get my mower over here. Fix it up a little bit. Put these out of the way. This is a locust in here.
Yep, that'd be good kindling if we...
I'll put down, I'll get this. Grab that other one there, throw it out of the way. How about that one? I left this one.
I thought you meant the... You said...
I didn't mean that. You should go ahead of me here. See prints back there, there's definitely going to be some down here. I'll be taking a shower when I get home.
Well, yeah.
Just because, you know, the ticks are out here.
That's a foot going uphill.
Can't tell.
I can. Let me see if... Maybe it ain't. I don't know, to be honest with
If
you.
we can make it down this, then we'll go up that other hill. We ain't been up there in years. Take 2 or 3 years.
I've been up at the very beginning, just not all the way up.
Yeah, we just ain't going this way.
Down here's where they
Yeah, look up through
trespassed and killed that deer
here. Look up here. Look up through here.
and left it lay.
It looks cool how them logs are crossing like little bridges.
Yeah, and then Mike's dog came down and I heard it growling at everything.
He's eating it up. Having some dinner.
I'd rather the dog get it than trespassers. Especially when trespassers kill.
Well, they killed and they leave it.
Well, they left it because we ran them off. Because they were thieving. Yep. They would have just asked. But nope, people would rather steal than ask. I gotta let you use your stick and get us, or me.
There you go. I'll separate this one, just walk to the right here.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
What's the snakes up here? The snakes like it's not this area.
Yeah.
So John cut all that wood down over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guarantee you there's snakes.
Well, I imagine.
When I mow back here early in the morning, I see them shining.
Yeah.
I got a break sometime.
Okay.
This thing broke off. Look, somebody broke it.
Yeah. Or something.
Yeah.
I doubt somebody could.
It looks like there's some rock right here.
Yeah.
But it takes some skill. Something got on it for the way it got
Hey, you guys, this was a Russian olive.
Well, you still got the Russian olive. That ain't gonna hurt it.
Well, look at this side. It's the same way.
Too. Somebody's mad at somebody.
Yeah, look. There's one. Yeah, that's even away from the break.
They threw it over there.
So that was done by something.
And what's crazy about that is that one have, look, see how this is all leafed out?
Mm-hmm.
That was broke before this, or it would have leaves like this.
Yeah.
You see? Do you
Yeah.
see these leaves on that?
No.
So it was done 2 separate times.
Yeah.
One stupid reason.
Well, that's sad because I love Russian olives. I thought we were taking a break down here. Oh.
I started to take one, but I seen that down
Shh. I heard bees.
there. Way ahead of me. Like this is
You guys, look how steep this is. You want me to, you need my help?
I got it, baby. Thank you.
Probably have to upload these videos 2 different times. Remember I told you guys, nighttime they like to throttle me. So, you know how long it took me this morning to upload that video from yesterday? An hour and a half. An 18-minute video. So I'm kind of glad this one's in 2 separate clips. Let's go over here and see what kind of... Ooh, there's a print, you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Heel. I see toenails. There's... See where my foot's at? That's the heel. And right up toe. Yep. Did you see this, Robert? See the toes?
That looks like the left foot, but there's a big toe on that.
Yeah, and there's a big toe on this side, this one.
It's like we went that way, huh?
Yeah, but...
That's an old track, though.
I don't think that's a Sasquatch. That looks more like a Dogman.
It's awful big. That's a size 12.
I know.
Go, you go first. You get up here where it flattens out, I ain't gonna have so much trouble like that.
They probably won't have to listen to me breathe so hard if I hold this away from my face.
Yeah.
You okay?
I'm just too old for my britches.
Well, I evidently am too. Said evidently I am also. I'm probably, my britches fall down, so I'm probably just too big for, or too small for my britches. Which is a good thing.
Hey, Rod, I'm going to go up to my blue chair and I'm going to sit down.
Yeah.
You can check them other 2 cameras. I'm about done.
Yeah, okay.
But I'll be right there.
Yeah, well, I see.
Actually just change this one up here and leave the other one for another day or 2.
Yeah.
Sit your legs, you know, you got to walk down that hill.
And back up.
Yeah, I would leave it for a couple of days. It's got the batteries.
Yeah.
Hold on, I got to pull this color.
Yeah, me too. I just got to have 2 hands to do it.
I'm starting to sweat, and you don't want to sweat out here in this street. Cool. Because of the sweat.
See that up there? That round. Yep. It's really nice. Nice out for, look at that bear den right there, that bear bed.
It's an old one.
Right there.
It's old because you can see stuff growed up in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there was all kinds of stuff out here before I cut trail.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, look at this baby. Come here.
What?
I'll show you the first
Berries.
sign of bear.
Yeah.
Right there. It's
Well, wait a minute, I gotta
right
go
there.
back so that they can see it and it's not all fuzzy. Yep, first sign of berries.
That'll turn into a flower, then you get the berry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're starting to form everywhere.
We-
Next week you'll see some white flowers.
Yeah, we got berries. We got a berry maze down in the second
That's what
valley.
attracts the black bears.
Did you hear that? To my right. It was movement. Probably a weasel.
Hold on, babe. I'm not gonna send you up there by yourself.
Oh, I can go up by my...
Just go with it. Just another block.
Well, you can just watch me. Just
No,
sit.
I'm just gonna take my chair. So when I get there, I can sit down. My hips don't hurt. I shouldn't be walking. It's just bragging how it's healing down there.
Well, my leg felt better too till yesterday. Doesn't mean it's healing, just means we gave it a rest. I know, I gotta... Hang on, guys. Alright. Had to take my coat off and tie it around my waist. It's too warm to be wearing. It's cold at the house. Okay. Do you have your sidearm? Do you have your gun? Well, the reason I'm asking, I want to know if there's any hope if I get attacked. If there's any hope for me. I ain't worried about Sasquatch or Dogman or aliens. It's them cougars. Okay. Goodbye, jacket, if you're going to be a little bitch about it. It came off my hips. Sorry about that. Let's zoom in a little bit, as Elmer Fudd would say. A little bit. Okay, hang on. Gotta change my SD. Hard to do with the camera in my hand. Alright. Now I gotta walk back up. It's alright. I won't notice anything till I lay down to go to sleep.
Well, sweetie, I'm thinking we'll take a different trail back. We'll cross the bridge instead of going through that heavy up and down stuff there.
Yeah.
And it should be smooth downhill all the way. Go home and eat some
Beans and cornbread.
Beans and cornbread, fried potatoes. We put them on this morning around 8 a.m.
Yeah.
They should be ready to roll.
Yep.
Ready to rock and roll down my throat.
Okay.
What is that white thing straight there? Look. Is that just... See,
I don't know.
that stands out looking white to me. Do you
Well,
see that?
I can't get... It's probably just bark.
Yeah, let's say it is.
Or, you know.
I'm gonna leave my chair here.
Yep. Well, regardless of how much pain's involved, so regardless of how much pain is involved, afterwards. Sure feel better mentally.
Oh man, this is medicine here.
Yep.
This therapy here. They're starting to prescribe it to people.
Yep.
You can walk in the woods. Get close to nature. You don't hear all the cars, trucks, people yapping,
Well,
liars, cheaters.
yep.
You can miss all that.
And it doesn't so good to worry about getting jumped by a cougar. Person. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna let you guys sit here and
Here, Mama, I'll hold it for you.
well, hang on. Out.
Here, give it here.
Well,
I'll hold it up here and I'll move it.
Okay.
Is that the,
You can't touch the screen at all. It'll turn it off.
like that?
Yep. What am I? Oh. I know what I'm doing. I'm used to the phone and still I turn the video off a lot by accident. Okay.
I move it real slow. That's the way I do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm following you.
I gotta get my coat.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Let me hear it for you. I can hear it for you since you're holding that. Give me that.
I just couldn't stand the thought of wearing it anymore. It's too hot.
I got a coat rack.
Yeah.
You got nothing in the pockets like
Yeah, my smokes that I won't need. Pockets not zipped.
I'm gonna zip your pockets so I don't lose your cigarettes.
Okay.
Let's see what's in the other side. Your gloves, I'll go zip that too.
Yeah.
You want to swallow the water, Sandra?
Probably.
There you go. Nothing like the old H2O when you get walking out back there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can tell by the sound of the water bottle. We got it at Kroger's. No, we didn't get that at Kroger's. That was Wally World.
Oh, baby, look. This is actually great value. Yeah.
Wally World. Walmart.
Wally World.
But don't take anything serious on account of Kroger's is just as cheap.
Something dug this up, sweetie.
I did because I was looking in the
I
woods.
just don't know what they're digging up. It's too early for ginseng right now. But look at it, dug it all out here.
Probably found some bugs.
Yeah, I thought. See, there's not even a nut they're digging up. Maybe the deer's kicking
Yeah.
the leaves away to eat something underneath there.
Yep.
I know. I just know when I'm back here, I'm happy.
Yep, me too.
Makes me happy. If I can be happy, man, you don't need a pill or a joint or a bottle of liquor or, to be happy.
Or psychiatrist.
Meditation.
Well, psychiatrists are good though. And I would know my...
Look at my old cross. Here, give me a picture of them. I love this cross. My best friend. Got me?
Yes. It's not a picture, it's a video. I had you. You know what I miss?
What's that, baby?
That thing that Scotty hated.
It's alright, we'll fix Scotty. I got another one. Look, Sandy, look here. There's
Oh,
another
wait.
one.
That's a Dogman. Can you see them toes? Can you see them toes? Yeah. Right here, though, are the toes.
Oh.
All they do is run a little ways and then...
Look at this tree right here. No, just look at the bark and stuff. Look how big around it is.
Yeah.
Follow me.
Yeah.
Right here, look. Here's the same tree. Bark, it's a little bit smaller. Throw a rope up there and pull that down, tie it off. You got your same thing.
Or there's a tree. Bring it over here and just...
This won't work.
I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the one that's leaning.
It's all over. That's a good idea, but it's going to be hard to turn that in them roots.
I know.
I do it. I don't know.
We're going this way.
I don't want to tear anything up.
Yeah, I don't either.
I'll find something laying here and I'll make you an arch. I don't like
well, we want something that's still alive because that was what was so pretty about the other one. Yeah. It would bloom.
Yeah, go that way. It would leaf. It would get leaves.
Yeah.
Go down there and give them a view. Hold your camera up. So
wow.
All that. Move it slowly.
I'll come back there and kick you right in that one nut. There's usually running water down there in that creek, but, or as I used to say it because I'm from the country, creek. But there's not right now because it won't rain until tomorrow. Then if it rains good enough, we'll have water in all the creeks.
Counted 14 honey locusts here.
Oh, I thought you...
Them are good trees.
I was zooming in because I thought you were hearing something.
No, I was counting the locusts. This is the year of the locusts too.
Yeah, okay.
I haven't seen any, but they've been showing it on the news.
Cicadas.
Listen. Is that an airplane or?
Oh yeah, that, yeah. Or a truck on the other side of the... I heard that. And that's a squirrel. And probably that big muscle-bound squirrel. King squirrel. There's a squirrel back here that's so big. And when the picture I got of him leaning off the limb, showing every tooth in his head. Let me find that X. Yep, right back there. That's been there for a while. I bet that's that squirrel.
Laughing at you.
Yeah.
I love these dogwood and redbud trees.
Yeah.
All over the property. They're beautiful.
Yeah. You guys, when my legs get drained, get the fluid drained out of them, and his hip gets all better, we'll take you on a trip.
Well, we've never took him to the end of our property.
No. We'll get to walk all the way to the end, what I call the Sasquatch lair. And then we just recently found out after remember what I told you about the neighbor doing us a, quote, favor? Well, anyway, found out we own a lot of beautiful land that we didn't know was ours. So I'll take you there too. Yeah. We were following, you're right. Supposedly it had been surveyed before we bought it.
It looked just like, the map. got
Yeah.
it. So we had no question it wasn't.
Right.
So we was not enjoying a big part of our property.
No.
You get so confused back here, all twisted around. It's so big. You don't know if you're coming or going.
Nope.
But look at these things.
Do I gotta come back up?
No, it's getting ready to put off some kind of beautiful.
Some big white flowers, remember?
Are they white?
I think they're white.
All I know is this is beautiful.
Hey, if any of you all know what yellow root plant looks like, and a mustard seed plant flower or plant. Anyway, send me a couple images to my email. If you go to my channel, on my about is my email address. If you don't want to go through all that trouble, email address is woodsyGirl3@outlook.com. And I am a woodsy girl, and I do have 3 kids. So, and my email is Outlook. I don't know if you can see the truck sitting over there.
Yeah, we're about there, aren't we?
We're back.
That was a long walk. My hip was like
Well, it took us,
with a baseball bat.
so far it's taken us 26 minutes. Well, not counting the other video.
We've been going, I don't know, feels like an hour, but
I think we've been gone about an hour and a half.
you lose track of time back here. This place is so special and so, this is heaven.
On
Heaven
earth.
is on earth.
Yeah.
It's right here in our backyard. That's what's crazy.
What's that verse I told you I read this morning that I really liked? It said, Jesus said, and they'll say, look there for heaven. Look there for heaven. But heaven is within you.
Yep. That's what I mean. This is heaven. You want to check around this? Right? Boy, we got the willows popping up. Look at them.
Yeah.
And that wet part there and the long hair and some up here. Look, bam.
Yeah. And what are those called?
They're called cattails.
Yeah, cattails.
Bird just flew out underneath.
You know, that looks like a big footprint, but I know.
I removed the rock from there.
Yeah, I know.
I love how this is. It keeps running and it's going around like I wanted it to. There went a frog, he jumped over there.
I know. A frog jumped over there when I stayed down here a while ago. Big, dark frog. Yep, there goes more. 2 more frogs.
You give it another month, it'll be full of frogs.
Yeah.
We don't kill them, we let them live.
No. Matter of fact, we'll be driving down the road, and usually after a rain or whatever, box turtles will be trying to cross the road. And we'll stop, I'll jump out, grab it, and either put it on the side that it was heading, or if we're close to home, I'll bring it home and bring it down here to the creek.
But sometimes we're not the first to see it, and it'll be like a flat pancake. People
Yeah,
go their way
I don't like people.
Sandy?
I know, honey. Oh, I was getting ready to shut the camera off. All right, you guys, that's it for today. There's the trail that leads behind the house. That's it for today. Love you all. God bless.